And then what are the advantages of selling a house for cash?
The advantages for selling a house are, it's kind of a one-stop shop. So we're going to fix it up. So we're going to pay cash. There's not going to be any contingencies. A lot of my competition has contingencies on their contracts. Our contracts do not. It's just, I'm going to make you an offer, and that's all the terms we agree to is what we're going to have at the closing. So it's going to be a non-contingent offer, not contingent on inspections. So I'm going to buy it as is. I'm not going to do any more than that first walkthrough. I'm going to buy it as is. It's going to be a cash offer. There's not going to be any real estate fees. I am a licensed broker, but there's no fees involved. If the house has a lot of stuff in it, you take what's valuable to you. You can leave whatever you don't want to leave behind. The closing timeline can be 7 days. It could be 60 days, whatever works for you. So again, I'm trying to sell the house in a manner that's going to be best for you, that creates a win-win for both of us.